Hello friends! Today I will show you another interesting video which will really help you with your struggles. If you like my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe to help me keep working for you. Damaged hair or hair loss? Proven tips to save your hair. Minor hair loss throughout the day is considered normal, especially if a person has recently lost weight, experiences daily stress, or has a chronic illness. Recent childbirth can also affect hair loss. However, sometimes hair loss begins to threaten baldness. Fortunately, there are several simple and effective ways to maintain and even strengthen your hair. 1. Proper nutrition stimulates hair growth. Poor nutrition can lead to hair loss. Add the right foods to your diet and you may see a change in the situation. Kimchi cabbage contains probiotics that help stop hair loss. Eggs are rich in protein and biotin, essential for hair growth. Spinach contains iron and vitamin A, necessary for hair growth. Salmon and other fatty fish are the best source of omega-3 fatty acids, responsible for hair density. Avocado is packed with vitamins E and C, as well as important fatty acids that have a positive effect on hair. 2. Perform an oil scalp massage. Scalp massages and masks with various oils can be as beneficial for hair growth as changing your diet. These measures help relieve stress and activate hair follicles. Rosemary oil is used to treat alopecia and stimulates hair growth. Massage a bit of oil into the scalp several times a week. Geranium oil also promotes hair growth. You can mix it with a base oil and apply as a mask or add it to your shampoo and use it as usual. Aloe vera gel fights dandruff effectively, which is known to cause scalp itching. Combing damages the skin, and small wounds, rashes, and irritation adversely affect hair growth and lead to hair loss. Aloe vera juice is known for its healing properties. 3. Use onion juice. Onions may not have the most pleasant smell, but they can be an effective remedy against baldness. Its juice contains nutrients that are good for the follicles. It improves the condition of the hair and promotes its growth. You can either extract the juice or blend the onion in a mixer and then gently massage the resulting paste into the scalp. 4. Drink green tea. Green tea is one of the main sources of antioxidants. It is recommended as an additive in the treatment of various diseases. The tea contains epigallocatechin gallate, which affects hair growth. In a small study, volunteers with androgenetic, male alopecia were asked to take a new supplement. It contained green tea extract, vitamin D, omega-3, and 6 types of fatty acids. The results showed that 80% of the participants experienced significant hair growth. 5. Check your vitamin D levels. There may be a connection between low levels of vitamin D and focal alopecia. People experiencing hair loss problems should consult a specialist and check their vitamin D levels. Taking vitamins prescribed by a doctor, a healthy diet, and spending time in the sun can help stop hair loss much faster than you think. 6. Don't brush your hair when it's wet. Combing immediately after shampooing causes noticeable damage. If you do it regularly, it can lead to hair loss and baldness. Instead, let your hair air dry naturally and then gently comb it with a wide-toothed comb. 7. Use pumpkin seed oil. In a large scientific study, participants in the experiment with androgenetic, male alopecia were asked to take supplements with pumpkin seed oil, and another group of people took a placebo. Participants in the first group showed significant hair growth. And although scientists have yet to thoroughly study this issue, adding pumpkin seed oil to your diet won't lead to anything bad and can even contribute to fighting hair loss. 8. Wash your head with licorice root shampoo. Chinese licorice has many beneficial properties. It stimulates hair follicles, promotes growth, and limits hair thinning. Licorice root is easiest to use in the form of shampoo. You can buy a natural herbal shampoo with licorice root in its composition and use it daily. 9. Try using ginger. According to another study, ginger contains bioactive compounds that have a positive effect on hair growth. Moreover, it has antifungal, antioxidant, and antimicrobial properties. You can use ginger juice or oil as a nourishing scalp mask. Mix it with a base oil, such as coconut, argan, or jojoba, and apply to your hair. Put on a cap and wash off after 30 minutes. Share this interesting video with your friends.